What is an internal style sheet? An internal style sheet is a section on an HTML page that contains style definitions. Internal style sheets are defined by using the style tag within the head area of the document. Here is an example of an internal style sheet. First, click the Start button, then look for Notepad. First, type opening HTML tag, then press Enter. Then type opening header tag and then press Enter. Then type opening title tag, internal style sheet example, and then closing title tag, then press Enter. Type opening style tag and then press Enter. Type angle bracket, exclamation point, dash dash, and then press Enter. Type body, opening curly bracket, background, colon, hash sign, C9, F1, C5, and then closing curly bracket, then press Enter. Type H1, opening curly bracket, color, colon, hash sign, 54B to 4B, semicolon, and then font, colon, bold 14px, type T, opening curly bracket, font, colon, 12px, Verdana, comma, Arial, comma, Helvetica, closing curly bracket, then press Enter, dash, dash, and then closing angle bracket, then press Enter. Type the closing style tag and then press Enter. Type the closing header tag, then press Enter. Type the opening body tag and then press Enter. Type the opening H1 tag, page with an internal style sheet. And then the closing H1 tag, then press Enter. Type the opening paragraph tag. This page is made by Joy Nicole Garzon and Luisa May Tao. Closing paragraph tag, then press Enter. Type the closing body tag and then type the closing HTML tag. Then save the file as internal style sheet dot html. Then, this is how an internal style sheet looks alike.
Bring the boys out.